What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're just gonna play outside because we are tired of staying in this house. And it's snowing. It's been snowing all this weekend. I missed the sun, but we don't have school, so we gotta make up at the end of the year. So it's gonna take our time of summer. So that's thumbs down. But I will bring you guys with me, and let's go have fun in the snow. See you guys in the next clip. Bye. Guys, it's really slippery. Whoa! Oh. It's really slippery up this. Okay, Okay. What is up, guys? It's really freezing outside. I wish I can just get like, you see wood up down here? Wood? You see wood? I wish I can get big ones and just make my whole backyard of wood. It's freezing, guys. As you can see in that clip, I slipped. It's really snowing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look. That hurt. Okay, so my backyard is like kaboom with snow. It's still snowing. It's been like a week and it's still snowing. Come on, make it sunny again. Okay, so let's just see our backyard. Oh man, I just slipped. I'm about it. Okay, I'm freezing. Okay, see, you see this? You see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? See, no one, don't even sleep outside. Excuse me? Why are you sneezing?
Oh, I just woke up.
Was that comfortable?
Yeah.
I want to try. Hold this. No, never mind. Okay, guys. I'm gonna lay down with you. You're gonna lay down with me.
Dude, it's so deep.
Okay, so.
Like, I can't even.
So, it's very comfy, but it keeps cracking. Okay, the camera's getting. It's the camera. Okay, guys, it's really snowy. Oh, stay tuned because soon we're gonna make a snowman again. I hope you guys comment down below if you guys like the other one, and comment down below what a challenge we should do in the snow. I've been telling my dad so many times if we can just make a video of the last one to stay in the snow gets $1,000, but we're not rich, okay? So maybe 1 cent. Good for us. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. I'm really out of breath. I'm freezing. Wait. Cut that part. See you guys in the next clip. I'm really freezing. Look at this. Look at that. Look at our footsteps. Look at our footsteps. Look at his feet. He's like wearing like mud. White mud. And oh my, look at our trees. Okay, so I'm about to set this down, play, and we're just gonna play we're gonna do a snowball fight, maybe, and then we're gonna do a snowman. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification bell, and also get a blanket, get some popcorn, and get ready to get the funnest snow vlog of 2019. See you guys in the next clip. Peace. Familiar faces. You good? Okay, so we're gonna play snowball. Hope you like it, and comment down below who do you think is gonna win. It's gonna be me. It's gonna be me. Like and subscribe for me. Like this video for if it's me, and if it's him, subscribe to. I'm just gonna subscribe to our channel if it's me. Like the video if it's him, because we want both of them, and turn on your post notification. I can't stop telling you guys. Our channel is gonna grow if you do that. So if you guys love it, don't forget to like it. Okay, let's get this fight started. Round 1. other people, if you guys doing a snowball fight, you wear
This.
you wear this type of things. Ah, it got in my eyes. You guys wear this type of things. You wear it over your.
Whoa!
And then you do this.
I'm gonna get you.
What I was trying to say is, you gotta wear this.
Hey guys.
Hey,
have some snowballs yet?
yeah.
Dude, what I was trying to say is, you need to wear this so you can cover your face so you won't get frostbite. Yeah, frostbite is a dangerous thing that can. See, I told you. It's not big. Ah! Okay, that's it. I'm not talking anymore. Ah! And then it's messy, so okay, that's another filming. But one thing I need to tell you is don't ever stay outside too long if you don't know you're sick. When you're sick. When you're sick. When you're sick. Because you can turn up and get sick more and you'll get fever.
I'm gonna die.
See you guys in the next clip. Mind your own business, mister. Okay.
What?
Let's go. Hey, don't make fun of me. I know you're taller than me, but I can still beat you up.
Do you want to build a snowman?
I don't know what's his name. Comment down below what's his name. Because we don't know what yet. Okay, so let's go see it. Let's go see it, guys. So this is the head, but the neck, it looks like it's
Somebody tickled the neck.
yeah, and someone gave someone a big double chin. Where's his neck? This looks like it just, his body just went into his head went into the stomach. Okay, so this is the look at this. It's taller than the other one, but this is cool. This is cool. Get us coming on with my best friends, guys. Oh wait, the snow thing. I gotta zoom out a little. Okay, not that bad. Not that strong as a walk. We can just take a walk. Woo! Give a walk because I know you guys want to go have a walk, but sunny day doesn't really look happy and wants to give us snow. So we're gonna get a walk, but in the snow. Okay, we made it. Okay, the camera's getting wet, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Peace.
Whoa. Let's go in the backyard.
We already made a snow fight and
Huh?
Whoa!
Go
dive.
Snow fight.
I'm using an umbrella.
He's not used to this. He's
Yes.
in the hot island.
I'm using an umbrella. Trying to find cover for the camera. But yep, here we go again. We're outside playing out in the snow. We're playing out in the snow. Whew. Ah, look at that. Oh, look.
Can we go on the top?
Oh, look at that. Look at how thick that snow.
Look at this.
Huh?
Look at this part. So big.
Oh!
Okay, this is the count. I called 3, 2, 1.
Oh, man.
That's how you know she's not used to the weather. She thinks she's going to the beach, but no, she's going to the Antarctica.
Oh.
Here, pass me the pink. Pass me the blue. Here. Green. That is so cool.
Yeah. All right, looking good. Oops. Oops. Yeah, do it close to the snow.
China man.
Yeah.
China hat. Diamond head.
Whoa. These guys are working really, really hard.
Yeah.
Man, we should put the other one in.
Well, I wish you guys would really see it in person. It may not look good on the camera, but it looks really beautiful. Like a shaved ice, but a bigger version. Woo! Put on your hood. Oh, this is for Janice. Janice, this is your Snow White snowman.
Oh, it's gonna be a.
And because you like pho, so we decided to put a hat on to represent your country, Vietnam. Hey, we can fill them up. We can fill them up.
Bro, it's like.
You gotta use it like string.
A few inches later.
It doesn't fit on the big head.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is behind the scene. We have a island lady. Yes, she's not used to dressing up in the snow. So, but guys, look at this rainbow. We not only have rainbow in the sky, but rainbow on land. Yeah, and that's done by M3E. Look at that rainbow. Alright, this is the road to heaven. Very white. Beautiful. Yeah. This snow is just ridiculously big. Oh wow, we have a beautiful snow girl. All right, somebody's gonna have to hold this umbrella for me, because I'm gonna have to like do a really detailed. Okay.
Excuse me, I don't. The struggle
Wow,
is
look at the detail. Oh, she's even got a flower on the side. Take a snapshot of that.
It's literally that small.
Going down. That lava lava.
this way. There's plenty of friends.
Right there, your hand just touched it.
Oh, she's beautiful. I have to say, girl, you're beautiful.
I know, but not beautiful to me. I know, but not beautiful to me.
Hey.
I'm freezing.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna slide.
Take a snapshot. Take a snapshot. Put them on Cairo KHON News from Hawaii. Put them on the internet, and let's get this snow girl, island snow girl, island snow girl,
The fan. Introducing.
all over the internet.
Wait, Pinocchio.
Okay. Oh, she's yeah.
See, not too much. That's Pinocchio.
What? Pinocchio. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Whew. All right. Okay. 30 minutes ago, this was a American snowman. 20 minutes later, island snowman, specifically from Chuuk or maybe Hawaii, and now she's from Marshall. The only reason why I'm saying it's from Marshall is because I think this is from Marshall. Oh wait, no, maybe from Chuuk. So, okay, that correction. She's from Chuuk. She's not from Marshall. That fan right there is from Chuuk. So, she's from Chuuk. Okay, I hope you guys like our snow girl or snow woman or whatever you can call it. But Janice, this is your snow woman. This is for Janice. Janice, when you come back, it'll still be here. Hopefully, we don't have any sun. Okay? Okay for you, Janice? Okay, see you guys in a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our own Chuukese DIY snow slide.
ASMR.
Okay. All right, it's your turn. All right. Oh boy. Where are you going?
Hello, American.
All right. Okay. Next contestant, Gloria in the house. Don't break the stairs. Oh my goodness. I just said don't break the stairs. You broke the... Oh man. Janice, I wish you were here.
Use another bowl.
Woo.
Why?
No, it's alright. It's alright. That's still good. Yes. Mr. Elston Celebes. Oh, another thing too. Yep, that's a Island DIY. Do it yourself. That's another warmer, hand warmer right there. One. Oh, you like it? Yeah. You want to do it again? Yeah. See, he wants to do it again. Oh boy. Oh boy. Another headache for Daddy. This is not gonna stop any sooner.
Cachimbo, cachimbo.
Oh, beautiful. All right. Okay. More headache for Daddy. They're not stopping.
Just throw it up in there.
Okay. Okay, one last time. Oh, that's pretty handy right there. Good hand warmer. Pretty smart for an islander. Woo! Oh wow! Good job. All right, let's close out the video and then you guys can do a couple more.
This is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and thank you for those people that are watching us and help us grow in our channel. And I recommend you guys should do this with your family. It's pretty fun. But you guys need to put so much snow so your kids won't get hurt. Shout out to everyone my parents for making that safe. And shout out to Uncle Willie for making the snowman.
Initially the snowman, but oh well, it is a snowman now again, but it got changed to a woman.
And this was pretty smart idea with the rainbow coloring. And also thank you for subscribing, because we're almost there to 700 subscribers.
So let's get 20 more subscribers, guys.
Yeah, 20 more. We can, like, it's supposed to take us 20 minutes, but
yeah,
come on, just keep on growing. And yeah, that's it.
All right, thanks guys for watching our video, and hope you guys are also having a good time. For those of you who also have snow here in Washington or wherever, Oregon, hopefully, or maybe if you guys have snow, hope you guys are staying warm, and also we hope that you guys are also enjoying the time with your family, with your kids, and you know, just with the snow that we have at the moment. All right, well, thanks so much, you guys. You guys are awesome. It's ridiculous.
Bye from the M3 squad and the snowman.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.